Welcome everybody to Facebook Training Module number 1 with Ray and Samantha Allen, where we'll be talking about proper Facebook expectations when it comes to building a business online using Facebook. And one of my favorite quotes of all time is, techniques there are many, principles there are few. Techniques, they will vary, but principles never do. And it's important to remember that the same principles we've used to build our business offline up to this point still apply to everything we do online. However, we're just utilizing a different technique. Facebook, we're using it as a technique to connect people to information. Really, it's just a tool. And Facebook is a fantastic tool, whether you're using it to connect with the 2 billion people that are on it every day, if you're using this tool of Facebook to build a following of like-minded people. It's an effective tool to create curiosity and educate the world about our LifeVantage products and the opportunity associated with them. It's also an effective tool to keep your team connected, do proper recognition, keep your team motivated and well-trained. Now, it's also important to remember what Facebook is not. It's not a place to complain. It's not a place to air your dirty laundry. It's not a place to be negative. And it's definitely not a place to argue or start fights. Now, what you see before you here is a depiction of what ancient Rome looked like. You can see the Colosseum, the aqueducts, all these marvels of modern engineering and architecture. But it's important to remember, everyone knows the saying, Rome wasn't built in a day. And that applies to your Facebook and your social media presence as well.
Right, absolutely, because building a brand takes time. And your Facebook history matters, but at the same time, it doesn't matter. And what do I mean by that? Well, everybody in this business is coming to Facebook at a different level. Some of you have been using Facebook for many years and have been doing a very effective job of building relationships on it and adding a lot of value to it. Other people have never been on Facebook before, and that's okay because you can learn and we can teach you. But some people have been using it just kind of casually, using it as a place to look at people's pictures or comment here and there. No matter where you are coming from, you just have to give yourself time and realize it takes a little bit of time for people to see you on Facebook and see the things that you're posting, understand your message, and then determine if they want to follow you. And you just need to be cognizant of sharing with people what you are all about. You know, what is your purpose? What's your overall message? And you want to remember who you are trying to attract. And you yourself need to be that person that you're trying to attract. That's the same thing in your personal life as it is on Facebook. You need to portray who you are so that you are attracting the type of people that we are looking to do business with or to share our products with.
Now, an effective analogy to help you imagine, what your Facebook account and social media presence should be. And, really, I ask you to think of it like a bank account. And if you go to a bank, you can't really make a withdrawal until you've made a few deposits, right? Well, with your Facebook account, don't expect to start a Facebook profile, make a few posts, and just expect to, enroll a bunch of PCs or distributors in your first day. Before you do that, before you can make the withdrawal from your Facebook and social media presence, you need to make lots and lots of deposits. And in the Facebook and social media world, a deposit is adding value to people's lives. Why do they come back and look at your information? How are you creating curiosity through your posts? That is how you add value to people, and that's when you can start to make withdrawals, when you've added true value to the marketplace. So in order to do that, in order to use this tool effectively, in order to use Facebook effectively to build your business, you need to commit. And what we ask is that you continue these training modules. You ask questions if anything is unclear in the comments for that specific video, and we will answer them. I ask that you learn this system, you implement this system, and then teach this system to your team if you want to have results and use Facebook the right way in 2017 and beyond. So your next stop here within this group is Facebook training video number 2. And in that second module, we'll talk about Facebook 101. All right, we'll see you there. I'll just stop it.